1 Terra/LUNC coin costs $0.00000586 at the moment. In the last 24 hours, it's gone down by -0.60%. The most 1 LUNC has ever been worth is $116.42. That was 1 year and 6 months ago. Right now, 1 LUNC is worth 100% less than that all-time high. Based on technical price analysis, there are 17 technical indicators, with 0 calls to buy and 9 calls to sell. This means that the short-term forecast is bearish. Lunc's first big rising resistance is at the $76.02 level, and it needs to close above that level to keep going up. The bottom support level is at $0.000332. So, if the price drops below $0.000332, it could drop even more. On the other hand, if it can close above $76.02, it can go up to $81.17, which is the next resistance mark. The 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, is currently at 71.52, which means that prices are likely to drop in the near future. On the monthly chart, the RSI is 11.08, which means that the market is oversold. The exponential moving averages show a bearish trend on the daily chart. At the moment, the price of Terra is lower than all exponential moving averages. In the past, the price of LUNC on the last day of October was always lower than the price at the beginning of the month 2 out of 3 times. In the last 3 years, September has been the best month for Terra. 3 times, the price of LUNC at the end of September was higher than at the beginning of September. The worst month is April. 3 out of 3 times, the price was lower at the end of April than it was at the beginning of the month. Find out more by looking at the monthly results. There were 2 bull runs for Terra. The first all-time high was in December 2021, when Terra hit $102.75. The price dropped to $50.61 55 days later, before the next bull run. Since December 2021, it took about 3 months to reach a new all-time high. Based on our Terra price forecast, the price of LUNC could reach $0.000649 in the next 10 days. The long-term price forecast for 2025 is $0.00033940, and the price forecast for 2030 is $0.006950. Taking into account all of the past highs and predictions for shorter time frames, the estimate for 2040 is $0.00200126. The price of Terra is expected to be $0.001050 in 2024. Based on what we know, that's the most